In this video, I'm going to show you how to recall or undo a message in Gmail that's already sent. To start, open up your Gmail account, click on the compose button to send a message. Input the receiver's mail, the subject of your message, and the content of the message. Now, click on the send button. Here, you can quickly undo the message by tapping on the undo button. That is the only way you can recall or undo a sent message, and once it is being selected, it will bring your email back up. Alternatively, we can go to the settings in Gmail to extend the period for undoing email to 30 seconds, because if you no longer have the undo option, that means you cannot recall or undo your message. So to set the time period, you click on the gear icon at the top right of the screen. You click on see all settings, and once it is opened, you will see undo send. Click on the drop down beside and select 30 seconds. Then you scroll down to the bottom and click on save changes. Once the changes have been made, you go back to your compose button to compose or resend the mail. Then you click the send button. So when you send the mail, the undo option will stay for 30 seconds and you can quickly undo or recall the message. So that's how you recall messages on Gmail that's already sent. Hope you find this video useful and informative. Please like and subscribe for more useful content like this. Bye guys, and see you in the next video.